Hey, it's Sammy on December 9th. We took 4 trades in Dow Futures, YM, today and made 145 points. Let's take a look at the trades and how everything played out. So this was our first trade today. We actually have been in this trade for about 20 minutes, which is a little longer than normal. It's because it's pre-market, but we have the data. We have a couple of volatility breaks on the 30 and the 1 hour. We have sentiment on the 1 minute through the 15 minute. And you can see we got great momentum all the way across the board. We've already had this stop loss moved into profit, so we're gonna let it hammer its way up. We're going to go ahead and lock in 29 points on this trade. So that trade had a nice pullback. You can see we pulled all the way back down here and we re-entered that same trade and we're working our way back up again. The data is still growing and still strong. We've already got the trade protected with our stop loss sitting into profit. So this trade is no risk at this point. Now we're just aiming to hit our take profit, which is right up by this purple line, which is the third deviation band. We're going to hit 32 point. Now we're trading just after the open. You can see we hit that deviation band, we hit the pivot, we hit the 38.2 Fibonacci level. Now we're going to go down and test yesterday's closing price, where that little white flag is. We have our take profit set. We are rolling over. You can see the high time frame data is still holding. We are going against the trend, but we have short time frame data with a reversal off the high of day. Of course, you know, we already have that stop loss into profit, so the trade is no risk. Alright, we just picked up 5-minute strength in the momentum as well. You can see we have sentiment now, our decay on our high time frame data. We are really moving vertically here at this point. Our momentum on the minute chart really kicked up and we're hitting our take profit with 49 points. Now we've been waiting and waiting and waiting for price to get down here and break this deviation band. This red line where we're entering right here is our deviation band. Inside a deviation band with VWAP, typically you're working where everybody else is working. That's where all the volume is. Do not want to be trading in that mess. Let all the orders spool up and then boom, the real-time market-generated numeric data hits, and watch how this trade plays out. Once again, a risk-free trade. We have tons of data pulling through this. We have our stop loss move into profit, and we're just going to take it down here towards these deviation bands, this third deviation band. Now we're hitting yesterday's low in the 0 Fibonacci with the second deviation band, and you can see we have an orange line there. That's a take profit zone, so we're just going to lock in 35 points on this trade and be done for the day.